What is going on today, YouTube? Hey, I know it has been a while since I uploaded a video, and I'm going to explain why. If you're new to my channel, I used to make daily videos, teaching you guys about the stock market, what you need to know, things I just wish I knew when I first started. But I have not been uploading daily like I was when I first started. And the whole reason, when I upload these videos, I want to bring you guys good content. I want to bring you guys content that you're going to take something from, you're going to take advantage, and you're going to use it, and it's going to help you out. And lately, I've noticed, yeah, my videos have been all right, but I was making so many videos, I was running out of good stuff to tell you guys. And I don't want to make these videos rambling on about stuff that isn't going to help you as much as I want to. So from now on, I'm going to promise everyone, all you guys, one video per week. If I can make more, I will. But that one video, I want to make it more thorough and more applicable to what you guys are here to learn about and what can help you. I don't just want to be rambling on these videos, wasting your guys' time, not wasting my time, but wasting your guys' time, and that's not what I made this video about. I want to bring you guys good information. So from now on, I'll promise you one video a week. I'm going to upload every week at 6 p.m. on Wednesday. So if you like the videos and you want to stay tuned, join me at 6 p.m. Wednesday, and I'll get a video out to you guys. And that's Eastern Time. That is Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Wednesday. Okay, and if I have something to talk about, I will upload more. It'll always be at 6 p.m. And yeah, from now on, promise one video a week, and I promise it'll be good information. I've been doing a lot of research since I've posted last, and I got a lot of good stuff coming you guys' way. So if you want to join, you want to find out what it's all about, join me 6 p.m. Wednesday. And I will see you guys next Wednesday.